Hey, what's going on, everyone? Trev with Cherry here, Core Capacity Transformations. Hope you're all having a great day today. And I wanted to chime in today about what I feel is the biggest mistake that people make as they're trying to transform their body. Very simplistic. It comes down to trying to accomplish everything today as opposed to bite-sized chunks. So when we talk about sustainability, we talk about doing smaller things habitually over a longer period of time, as opposed to doing 40 things today and expecting ourselves to do those 40 things every single day moving forward. Best success practices have shown, basically taking smaller pieces of them. For instance, this week I'm going to focus on these 2 goals. And then the following week I'm going to maintain those 2 goals, but I'm also going to focus on adding these 2. And then I'm going to maintain those 4, and then the 3rd week I'm going to add another 2, and so on and so forth, and continue to build, continue to actually create habits over a period of time, as opposed to trying to get it all done in one day. Because then we're just setting ourselves up for failure. If we miss one thing, we feel like we failed. But if we're only concentrating on 1 to 2 things at a time, 1 to 2 additions, that we're going to be actually, doing to help prompt, our body transformations, or subtractions in terms of what we're doing, what we're not doing, that's going to actually improve that point for us. That's really what I think is what's missing, and where people are missing the ball. And in terms of the actual mistake, from everyone I've talked to, thousands of people I've had the opportunity to work with, myself, my own, experiences, is whenever I try to take it all on at one time, I tend to be good for roughly a couple days, but then I fall flat on my face. So that's the biggest mistake. Take bite-sized chunks, 1 to 2 things that you can concentrate on per week, and that really just will lead you down that path of success. I am sure of it. Anything I can do to serve, I'm here for you. Hope you got a great amount of stuff out of that today. You guys, Trev with Cherry here, Core Capacity Transformations. You have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.